স্বাগত জানিয়ে আমি লালিয়া দত্তগুপ্ত আজকের সংস্কৃতি কলকাতার তরফ থেকে নানান রকমের কাঁথার সম্ভার দেখাবো এবং কাঁথা আমাদের সমস্ত হ্যান্ড স্টিচ, ইটস আ প্রাইড অফ বেঙ্গল and done on all very good quality pure tussar and also in pure silks. Product number 1 is our traditional Bangalore silk Guri Ran Katha. It's 7,500. This is our starting range of pure silk Katha. Throughout the side, just see the work. Just see the work, how neat and intricate the full work has been done. Throughout embroidery and only in Guri Ran stitch. Just see the stitches, it's a single thread work which is done throughout, but so fine and intricate work. This is, you know, neat finish. Even the back side, I'll show you, see the back side, how well the thread is cut. The quality and finish of the product is the best quality. So you can check out our reviews, and all returning customers, thank you for that. So this is the Katha episode of newly created Katha stitch in pure Bangalore silk, product number 1. It's in maroon color with blouse piece. As I said, this is the blouse piece with the border. This is product number 1. This is the pallu part, 7,500. Product number 1. Now navy blue, product number 2. Again traditional Katha. In case I miss out the price, as I say, please check the there's a scroll that's going, the description part where the details of the product is mentioned. We do not filter. There was somebody who had told that we filter, and then where are we filtering? It's in my showroom itself that the shooting is being done and then it's being uploaded directly. No filtering. Even in our Facebook page, the photos, in fact I don't have time to filter also. In fact, also the Facebook page photos that I upload, they are not at all filtered. Just click and upload, that's it. This is the sari. Actually what happens, device to device color may be 18 to 20 difference, but I always mention you the exact color. Each and every sari I always tell you the color. So it's that way you can understand. This is a dark navy blue two-tone Bangalore silk. So in that way you can understand the color. And if you have any doubt on online purchasing, please don't. If you are physically, if you can physically visit the stores, then please do. If you are not comfortable in purchasing online, then please don't block the products and write negative comments. Let the others who are waiting, regular customers who are waiting for these kind of handwork products, let them get these products. It's, within 2-3 hours, and then when a customer messages me at if it's at 10 in the morning that I upload, and by 5 o'clock if someone messages me about a product, I say sold. So it's, they say that I saw it just now, Didi. So what to do? But it's all gone within 2 to 3 hours. So you can understand that after that, if somebody says the quality is not good, I will not at all accept that, because I use I always tell which is art, which is pure. So there's no hide and seek. From day one I've been very, very transparent. Even in my Facebook post, the prices and the fabric is clearly mentioned. From day one, the clearly mentioned the prices and the fabric. This is again in pure silk, pallu, multicolor Katha. With blouse piece border. This is the pallu, a very light color, off-white color with all over multicolored traditional Katha in Bangalore silk, off-white color. Now comes another blue shade. For that one comment, there were so many of well-wishers who had supported me and the services they have got. So I'm so happy and so grateful to my customers who've stood by me, and they know that the beautiful messages and the replies that I've got. I really appreciate that. There was only one negative comment, and I was telling that out of the 99% love that I get, 1% I'll bear the negativity. This is the border. Golpo Katha in pure Bangalore silk. Baby pink color thread work has been used. Baby pink color. This is the all over Golpo Katha. Even the border is in village motifs, little trees and these houses and all in the border. Flowers and trees. Little these are all. Even the body. Beautiful work in dark navy blue and baby pink color. As I said, please check the. This is 7990. Now coming to magenta. We are open on Sundays till the Durga Puja. From September, both the branches will be open. In August, only the Cornfield Road branch will be open on Sundays. The rest of the days, Monday to Saturday, 10 o'clock to 8 p.m. New stock added every day in for the Puja collection. This is also another Golpo Katha in Bangalore silk. Deep magenta color, it's kind of a wine color you can say. Lovely pallu all over work, 7990. Golpo Katha in pure Bangalore silk. Like I always tell you, if there are, like see, I don't know if it's very little, though when the frame is been done, see there is a stretch of the fabric in Bangalore silk. This is not a defect. I don't know, it's a small frame, a little stretch of the fabric. So please, these are not defects. It's part of the Bangalore, the embroidery that is done. It's very natural. This is the sari. Last time you had inquired a lot about red, and let me tell you, previous episodes, Katha, Kalamkari, Madhubani, then also Dupian, Katan, not a single sari in the previous episodes are available. So select from the new episode. This is a checkered thread work, red color with grey thread work, light grey thread work and white thread work in bright red color. Pallu in floral and the body is in smart geometric checks like a dabar chalk design, chessboard design. Throughout the work will be done in check design with the border in the blouse piece. Those who are more than 5'7", 5'8" height, you have to attach an extra material on your waist because the length diminishes once the thread work is done. All over thread work, there is a problem for those who are blessed with more than 5'7" height. This is another red lovely Katha sari all over work, and the price for this is 7990 for this too. Now coming to another Bangalore silk. This is magenta. It's a very new color, different. The dual tone is one thread green and one thread magenta. So it's coming a very different, unique shade. A very pretty, uncommon shade with paisley work in off-white color throughout. Whitish color you can say, not off-white, white thread throughout. And the price of this is also 7990, product number 7. Big pallu, paisley, double side border, similar throughout. No buttas, it's just a border pallu concept. With the blouse piece. Last, previous some week I couldn't show 4 episodes. I couldn't upload 4 episodes because there's so much of bookings and so much of dispatches to be done. So I didn't upload one episode because I wanted to clear off the deliveries first. That's very important, more important than my sale. So I did not upload another an extra episode that I usually do. And there's also very much rush in the store also because of the puja shopping. There's rush in the store, so I don't want to block anybody's parcel. So now we are up to date. All the shipments have been done. So now again 4 episodes will be going from this week onwards. This is batik katha, crack batik katha in moss green and black color combination. Very smart monotone combination in bottle green, in moss green and black with temple thread work katha. And a jet black blouse piece with border. Very smart color combination and a very uncommon one too. Last time I had shown a viridian green, so this time I've made this moss green. It's kind of a mehendi green, you can say. Beautiful shade, it's a lovely shade of green. Earthy tone but very bright. See the pallu work. Very bright. Again, if I missed out the price, okay, yeah, 8500. Product number 8. Now coming to a black and red color combination, again in batik, 8500 for this too. Thread work is in black and red, the border, but the body part is, you can say, dark peach color, orangish peach color. This is the pallu. Orangish peach color body, deep peach, rustish color, but not more of a orangish tone. But what would I say? It's a beautiful uncommon shade actually. Dark peach would be the right color. This is the border. Batik katha, crack batik katha. So there is 2 process. One is done by the wax batik is done. This is another beautiful process that is done in this katha and in the silk. And then on top, after that, the thread work is done. Another lovely shade in Golpo Katha, Bangalore silk again in Firoza. It's in a Firoza color and the price is 8500. Golpo Katha border. Lovely shade and the color of the thread work is beige color. Biscuit color thread work has been used in this broad Golpo Katha border. Very different sari. With this you can wear a tussar colored blouse and use the border in the sleeves. Tussar blouse, simple munga tussar blouse, the natural texture of the tussar because the thread is that color, neutral tussar color. Throughout buta, it's a beautiful color combination. I loved it in first sight. This is the border. Because katha blouses are around 70-75 centimeters that come. Again, the shrinkage is there in the fabric. So those who wants to make a bigger sleeves, you have to add some fabric. Pallu. Now little about my sari. I am wearing a Jolchuri Bangalore silk katha. It's in reverse work. A reverse katha in magenta purple shade. Achol is in woven. This is Jolchuri design. It's a term that's used in this kind of work and pallu. The blouse piece will be similar to the pallu, exactly same stripes. Jolchuri pallu, a blouse piece, and this is the sari, 8990 rupees. And the neck piece that I am wearing, premium jewelry, it's in antique gold and silver, dual metal has been used with this jhumka. There is stone setting also with this jhumka, 2990 for the whole set. It's 2990 rupees and the sari 8990 rupees for the sari. This is a lovely jet black katha again in Bangalore silk. every day we are getting around 8 to 9 customers who are coming only for Katha and buying in bulk. So you can understand still the stock that we have. All over thread work in diagonal design, done in white and yellow thread. Beautiful floral work. See, and this is the blouse piece for this. Blouse piece for this. We have 2 branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19. And the other one is 12 Jami Lane, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19. Sundays we are open till the Durga Puja. The rest of the every day we are open now every day 10 o'clock to 8 p.m. And the other one is 2C Cornfield Road, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19. Cash on delivery possible only in Kolkata. And this we are announcing, we are not a portal or we are not an e-commerce site. These are the extended services that we are providing. So cash on delivery we have not started at all, and no we have no plans to start in the near future. Maybe later, I don't know, but as of now no cash on delivery, only in Kolkata COD options. This is a jet black Bangalore silk with the border, both side red border, dyed with Katha. And see the pallu, so smart, sea green color work, border with the work. This is the pallu. So there is touch of Dudhe Alta red with jet black and sea green, a very unique combination. Here is the contrast sea green blouse piece. See, it's a very smart design. This is the blouse piece, so this will be the blouse. So just for you to have an idea how it will look. Number 138500, woven silk with work. Now let me explain. These stripes are the weaves, and these are Katha work done in between the stripes. Red and black work is the work, embroidery. Throughout red and black thread work border, woven pallu along with the thread work Katha. This is the pallu part. Stripe. So the weave itself is very smart. At the same time, the blouse piece color is also very unique. It's a lime green color with a border. This is the blouse piece. Very fashionable saree. Now coming to some fancy sarees in Katha, 8500 again with printing. This is Shikarga motif done in Katha, animals, deer, Shonar Horing, done in Katha work. See the border, the body is been bird block print. I've done the block bird printing in the Chiria, printing it throughout the body part. This is the pallu, gorgeous bright pallu, jet black and bright red. 8500 for this in Bangalore silk again, with printed, silk printed blouse piece, and here comes the border, blouse piece border. So printed blouse along with the Katha work, and this is the saree. very fashionable, at the same time very smart, along with animal motifs in the border, pallu in Katha. Again another Golpo Katha in Tussar, product number 15, 8,800. Always in demand, pure heavy quality Bangalore silk Golpo Katha in natural Tussar color. It's a beige color with red. Puja is coming, so you can wear this for your Ashtami also. যাদের বাড়িতে পুজো হচ্ছে তাদের জন্য এটা খুব ভালো, প্লাস যাদের বাড়িতে বিয়ে আছে, বিয়ের সময় আমাদের ট্র্যাডিশনাল কাঁথা খুবই ভালো লাগে দেখতে। আর ওয়ার্ক ইজ থ্রু আউট, অল ওভার ওয়ার্ক। এটা আসছে ব্লাউজ পিসে, বর্ডারটা করা আছে আর all over খুব সুন্দর কালার কম্বিনেশনটা খুব ট্র্যাডিশনাল কম্বিনেশন। and since the color is deep beige with red, খুব সুন্দর লাগছে দেখুন, একদম মানে বাঙালি একটা কম্বিনেশন, কিন্তু সবাইকে ভালো লাগবে যে কোনো occasion, you never go wrong with this combination. all over work in Golpo Katha. Now again another beautiful bright gorgeous combination in Golpo Katha, 8,800 again in purple Golpo Katha throughout. Bright purple, lovely shade with throughout thread work, again all over work. This is the pallu part. New stock added every day. In store we have lots of more variety, so please visit. Both the branches are open, so please visit for more options or collection. We wholesale from showroom only, but we do not entertain resellers because the stock usually is not there. By the time you get the approval and all it comes, it's sold out. And but wholesale we do from showroom only. This is the all over work Katha. Now Jolchuri Katha, like what I am wearing, 8,800. Work is different. Fish motif in the body and the border, the pallu, all Jolchuri work. See the body. Very smart design, see the work. Throughout embroidery. This is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. You can check out our Facebook page, Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page, where the still photos of these products will be uploaded, and also the regular notifications you will also get if you subscribe to our YouTube channel Sanskriti Kolkata. In the Facebook page Sanskriti Kolkata, the previous preview is given, what will be the next episode, the following day, the timing, the details all mentioned in the page. So please like the page to get notices of what is up, what will be the next video, what will be coming, or what is any the stock that is available, then the photos, the pictures, everything. Red, lovely thread work all over. See the body till half the body, all over work, and then the broad daman pallu border in the pleats. This is the pleat, and yes, it will have a red blouse piece with this narrow sleek border throughout work. Lovely piece. can wear it with a chicken blouses also, or you know, the puff sleeve Hakoba blouses, the puff sleeve one, very smart look with this. Number 198900, purple, silk tussar katha. See the design, geometric, very smart design. Aanchol, it's a fully geometric bordered pallu katha, very smart one. See, color, the design, the style, the combination, everything. Blouse piece, and one more thing, most of the pictures, you know, my still pictures that I upload in Facebook page, those are rotating in many groups. You know, there are maybe some sari groups and all, reselling group or something, I don't know, because I usually don't see them, but my customers keep sending me the screenshot that sometimes my face cut off, and then and then the whole body, especially Madhubani, Kalamkari and Kathas, they are rotating in different groups. So let me tell you, we have only 2 branches in Kolkata, and we are not you know, given any franchise or anything to anybody. So we are not responsible for any of those stocks. What they show you and what they send you, no idea. We have 2 physical stores in Kolkata only. 3D katha, this is the pallu. Sometimes when I you know, get time to message them that please remove the photos, they either apologize and they do remove them, and sometimes they just block me. So that's the way I've been facing this since the time I've come to the social media, which is not very early, very recent. I've been in the social media and this you know, this profession, but that's the way it is going. So this is a 3D katha in Bangalore silk, 8990. Now another dark navy blue with yellow work, 8900. See the color, wow, the combination is also very unique. Mustard and, you know, nice colors. 2-3 same type of shades have been used in each temple. Up and down both there is temple work, embroidery. Aanchol. This is the throughout work, and here comes the blouse piece, back and both side sleeves. It takes around 6 to 7 months to create a katha, and then washing, polishing another week. So it's a very, very long process. No, that's the reason why we can't take orders, because exactly same piece is never possible. Very rare, until and unless, you know, the karigar has started embroidering the same design, they have drawn the pattern, which hardly is there. So this is another tussar. Now coming to tussar, see the work, upper border in black and the body in dark maroon. Aanchol, very elegant sari, very elegant. Throughout jal embroidery, floral, katha with alpona motif border in black, desi tussar, and here comes the blouse piece border in black thread. This is a very unique sari. Tom uncommon. And the price for this is 9500, 9,500 rupees. Again desi tussar, dyed. This type of sari I had shown one piece before. Now this is, just see the dyeing, beautiful shade, very uncommon, totally designer look, that too in katha, border, white thread, achol, very smart achol in green, red, mustard, body in multicolored dyes. These dyes itself is so, difficult to do, to get the right shade and the right combination. And here's the blouse piece with the mustard border, blouse piece for this. See the sari, extremely fashionable and uncommon. $9500 for this. $98, I think. Just let me check the price. Look at the work. Why would the Karigar charge for these? See the work they've done. Pure tussar, desi tussar with this kind of dyeing and the combination. It's a rich slate color with black. See the work design, the threads that has been used. Very smart sari. The pallu. 9800, and I'm very happy to pay my karigars, because when they do something which is dil khush ho jane wala sari, so why not? This is the blouse piece border. See. Neighbor's envy, owner's pride sari. See the work, the colors, the combination, the tussar quality, everything counts. Orange and red work in desi tussar, village motifs. Throughout embroidery, half sari, and then the smart border. With blouse piece. Once again the pallu, see the huge pallu, the work. Eta jader মেয়ের বিয়ে বা মানে তাদের মারা বা শাশুড়িরা পরলে এত ভালো লাগবে. See this concepts, collage katha, but this is not applique, this is just the way the dye has been done. And the black thing that these are all carbon marks, so these are not any defects. These are the thread work outline that they have done. This is priced 9500. See the collage work. Blouse piece. Rust. Very smart sari. last two, 9500. See the work. Stunning piece of embroidery, combinations, colors, and the effort that has been given in this beauty. See the border. Rust color with green blouse, mehndi green blouse piece. Another desi tussar, 9800. See the combination for this. Geometric, the beautiful shade of peach pink color with red. Achol, heavy work. Blouse piece. Now I am not going to neglect my dear doll. So this is another tussar with reverse katha in black and red. See the work. The blouse piece will be with the border, and the price is 8,500. Border, pallu, and big aanchol, reverse katha, and see the border, the way they have done it. It's especially the pleat part. Then you can understand, like it looks as if it's applique, but it's just direct stitch. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching till the end. Please visit. We have more collections in store. Namaskar.